All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. Over this weekend, many people were profiting in the chat. If you want to become a student, I do offer one-to-one mentorship or have a course for anyone that doesn't have too much time. If you just want to be part of the chat, all the links that you need are found in the description and comment section below. So you can either just become a member and join the chat or actually take action and become a student. Bob over here is actually setting up quite similarly to Pepe, although Pepe did have some pumps over the last week or so, back up to the inverse head and shoulders neckline. Bob actually did perform the same thing, but we can see after coming back down, testing key levels of support, we lost the moving averages. This would actually signal a new downtrend forming, although as we look to the left, we are actually still ranging between key levels of support and resistance. The moving averages in ranges are not the best of friends, but we can see that it actually has started trending. We have lost it, so we need to see if we lose this range low over here to get this bearish continuation. Although Pepe is setting up bullish, there is a head and shoulders pattern that has formed on Pepe, so I would expect if that's to break down, then Bob will of course continue to do so as well. In actual fact, Bob already formed this head and shoulders pattern over here, lost the neckline, has retested its resistance, looking for that continuation lower, trying to retrace. Trying doesn't mean that it 100% will, because we have key levels of support over here. You can even say this is an actual double top pattern neckline. So I will show you the target again, as Bob is in an uptrend from its inception. Then we can actually take the conservative target just like this, and it would actually signal a new low in fact. But let's see, we do have this 0 fib level. It actually becomes the 1 fib level if we're measuring from that point. So we would need to hold this low, otherwise we have targets to the downside, guys. The minimal target would be the 1272 at 2484. You've got further targets to the downside here, 2142, 1731. But we need to see what Pepe is going to do. This will essentially drag up or drag down Bob. And we do have a bearish pattern on Pepe at the moment, but actually, unlike Bob over here, which is actually broken out of the neckline right over there, this being your shoulder, this being your head, and this being your right shoulder, Pepe is yet to do so. So if Pepe were to actually head up from here, then we're going to see Bob reversing, reclaiming all these moving averages, maybe because it's actually at the low of the range, as we can see over here. So we just need to see how this is going to play out. We can see that we're trapped between this range. A break of this range low is going to actually send us back down to the lowest point. So I will just take it from the loss of that area and take it down to the lowest body candle close. This would be a 27% move, or back down to the 0 fib, a 31% move to the downside for Bob. Equally though, if Pepe actually starts waking up, breaking through the EMAs and breaking resistances, then we're going to see pumps to the upside. I would like to see a reclaim of about 8,420, and this is going to create this, just validate the inverse head and shoulders pattern over here. And so a break of this, which we're seeing on across a lot of meme coins, especially Pepe, the leader. If we were to break out, this could be a pump from today's current price of about 330% back to the previous all-time high, maybe a little bit more, 360% over here. By the time we're getting up to that price point, as you can see, the target is there. I would be expecting a deep correction, probably back down to where we are now. So you could even see something like this happening, coming back down to here. So we just need to play as the days go by. I'm going to be making more Bob updates for you all. So let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more of that. And that's pretty much it for today's Bob update. There's not much more to say. We're currently ranging between these two price points. A break of this range low will send us back down to this low with much higher probability chances of losing this area. So I'm going to mark it out for you guys now, from that body right there to this wick over here. So that is essentially where we're going to be falling like a knife if we are to see a body candle close below this point over here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe and comment. If you want to become a member of my community, as you saw at the beginning of the video with all the results, then just hit the links in the description and pinned comment section below. You can either hit the Twitter link to actually private message me, as one of my mentorship students who joined yesterday and actually took action through Twitter, but you can find out all the information through the other links, the mentorship and course link or the membership link. Thank you guys.